In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Drive link on Instagram in 2020 with ease and speed. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the know-how you need to share any of your Google Drive files seamlessly on Instagram. So let's dive right into it and keep up with the times by utilizing these tech-friendly sharing options. First, we'll need to head over to Google Drive. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you haven't done so already, log in with your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your drive filled with files and folders. Locate the specific file or folder you want to share. This could be anything, perhaps a photo collection, a presentation, or a document with useful information that you feel deserves more exposure. Next, select the file. You can do this by clicking on it once. This ensures you're choosing the right file to share and avoids any mishaps of accidentally sharing the wrong items with your Instagram followers. Once you have your file selected, look for the share icon, which is typically represented by a person symbol with a plus sign or simply the word share. Click on this and a sharing menu will appear with different options. This is a crucial step, as it dictates how your file can be accessed by others. You'll notice that the default sharing option is usually set to restricted. This means that only specific people who have been granted permission can view the file. Since we want to make this file accessible to anyone who sees your Instagram post, click on the restricted tag to change these settings. You'll now see the option to change the access level to anyone with the link. This is what we want. By selecting this option, you ensure that anyone who clicks on your link from Instagram can view your file, expanding its reach significantly. With the access level adjusted, the next step is to copy the link. Click on the copy link button to get the link copied to your clipboard. Now that you have the link, you're ready for the last part of this process, sharing it on Instagram. Head over to your Instagram app or website and decide where you want to share the link. A popular method is to place it in your bio, as Instagram doesn't allow clickable links in regular posts, but you can also incorporate it into your stories if you have the swipe up feature or use link stickers. Simply paste the link wherever you've decided and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully shared a Google Drive link on Instagram, providing easy access to your audience. This straightforward method not only saves you time, but also enhances your content sharing capabilities on this popular platform. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.